Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, Euro Japanese Yen, GBP, USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Japanese Yen for 9th March 2021 Tuesday. And this analysis is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. And you can check out my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube for the analysis of other currency pairs. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So right now we can see that market is trading at 129.29, and there is no doubt that the market is in beautiful uptrend. Market is making higher highs, and market was making higher highs, and right now market is kind of consolidation. Okay, right now market is in consolidation. So what is the strategy that we need to follow for Euro Japanese Yen for today? We can see that though market is an uptrend, okay, right now market is in consolidation. Okay, so if you want a safe trade, okay, if you're looking for a safe trade, then you can enter above 129.97 level or above this line. Okay, if you are looking for a safe trade, then enter above this line. Okay, if you see that market has crossed this line beautifully, market is comfortably trading for at least 1 hour, then go ahead. Okay, just enter. And on the other hand, if you want to take some risk, or if you've got a little bit of risk appetite, then you can enter in the market right now or wait for the stochastic RSI. Okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone. Okay, when stochastic RSI will move from here, you can enter. Okay, this can be your second strategy. Okay, first strategy is, if you're looking for a safe position, enter above this line 129.97. if you've got a risk appetite, you want to take some risk, then either you can enter right now or wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to an oversold level, and when it will start going up again, enter. And the third strategy can be, as you can see right now market is in consolidation. Okay, just wait for the market to cross this line 129.63 level. Okay, wait for the market to cross this level and just be on the trade as long as the market is trading above the 50 moving average, as long as market is successfully staying above this line. Okay, just be on the trade. That's it. So this is a trending market, so things are not very complicated like other pairs. Okay, it's trending market, so these are the three trading opportunities for you in Euro Japanese Yen for 9th March 2021 Tuesday. So hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And you can also check my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good luck. And do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.